My name is Mayank Pandya. In this video, I will present the risk and challenges associated with moving to the cloud and how we plan to mitigate them. Risk number one is lack of buy-in and human resistance in general. To mitigate this, we will have strong executive support and buy-in, assign a senior leader to lead this initiative both on technical and non-technical fronts, and have strong change management capability throughout the process. Risk number two is having an unclear why and the fear of doing something new, of something for the first time. We have articulated a very clear why that we will revisit throughout the journey and measure our success against it as we make progress towards our end vision. We will also retool, reskill, and engage our people in moving to the cloud to address their fears as well as to upskill them and prepare them for a new world when we are in the cloud. Risk number three is extremely complex cloud contracts, pricing models, and a lack of understanding of terms and conditions in general. We will invest and apply strong vendor management capability to the project. These vendor managers will be tasked with understanding the cloud contracts in detail, negotiating effectively with the vendors, and delivering a contract outcome that is balanced between the provider and our organization. Risk number four is around inability to move certain applications to the cloud, or challenges with integration or data migration, or general challenges with the application migration. To mitigate this, right up front, we will do a thorough application assessment to categorize applications as retire, consolidate, move. We will invest in strong architectural and integration capabilities to build a solid foundation both at the infrastructure level as well as the integration layer. Risk number five is around lack of data ownership and privacy and security in general. To mitigate this, we will build in security right up front, and it will be thought about holistically and be an integral part of this program. To understand data ownership and privacy, we will educate ourselves, understand the provisions of the contracts, and also be clear about our obligations and rights, as well as for the various providers and partners that we are working with. Risk number six is around vendor lock-in. To mitigate this, as already mentioned, we will apply strong vendor management capability to have the protections to minimize risk of vendor lock-in. We will also engage multiple cloud providers to always maintain a credible threat of defection. Risk number seven is around retooling, reskilling, upskilling as staff. We will invest significantly in ensuring our staff are ready to embrace our cloud journey right from the start. We will engage them in the project as well as reassign them as appropriate when we move to the cloud. We will also invest in change management to support our staff as we retool and reskill them throughout the project. Finally, there's a risk around new processes both on the IT side as well as on the business side. Things like totally new incident and problem management and ways of doing business compared to doing them locally within the regions to now doing them globally and with a cloud provider. To mitigate this risk, we will build in business process re-engineering and lean thinking into the project. We will pilot processes as they change and iterate through them to make improvements as required. So as you can see, we have considered a wide range of risks, which we believe is prudent, and at the same time, we have the mitigations in place to address them as they occur. Thank you.